Bye, Pete. You have to stay, okay? No, Pete, stay. I'm sorry. Oh my god. I'm sorry. You have to stay. I love you, buddy. Have a good day, okay? Bye, Pete. Stay. Stay. Oh my gosh, it is so sunny. You guys, it is so sad. Now that they have their own spot to hang out at the house all day, I don't bring them to the shop all the time, and I swear, Pete makes me feel so bad about it. Today is a 350Z day. This car has been through so much. Post Drift Week, did a full look around, and honestly, nothing was really that messed up. My light kept going out, and we ended up figuring out that just one of the clips on the igniter that I'd replaced just wasn't in all the way, so that's why this one was continuing to go in and out. I still feel like there might be a short somewhere, but for now I'm gonna enjoy that headlight actually working. I just did an oil change, and I will admit I should have done an oil change throughout Drift Week. I only did one when I got back, and it was basically black, so that was not the best, but this car is a tank, and it's been through so much and is still running strong. I love this car so much. Please ignore the mess. This has been my daily pretty much every day. So you guys are gonna be awesome and pretend that that is not there. I finally got all of the Drift Week stuff out of the back of there. I was hauling around like half of an entire shop. I found out that some things have been finished getting painted, and I can go pick them up and put them on the car. I wanted to get the wing painted before Drift Week, but didn't have enough time. It just wasn't possible. Didn't matter as much for Drift Week anyway. My focus for Drift Week was seat time, and I got that. Now that I'm back, I can install my new painted wing. It's the same one, but now it is painted, and I know I went back and forth on what I was gonna do paint-wise with it, but that is done. And I also have a new rear bumper. That bumper got trashed like day one of going to the track after the entire car was painted. So I got a new bumper, and that's gonna really make the whole back of the car look a lot better. And the bumper also has one of the lights that ended up being melted on my exhaust, as the bumper light fell out and got melted. So the bumper comes with a new one of those. So we're gonna be doing a 350Z cosmetic day today, which I think is gonna really transform the car. And I haven't seen this car looking really, really nice for a while now, maybe even since I brought it out of the paint booth. Like, it's been a minute. I did actually already go pick up the wing, so I have that at the shop, so I might do the wing first. I'm excited to give this girl a little makeover today. She has been through a lot, and she deserves a painted wing and a fresh bumper, so that's what we're gonna do today. Old reliable is what I call this car. Also, huge announcement, your girl is caught up on videos. So I'm gonna be editing the same video like tonight. So that's pretty awesome. And I appreciate all you guys kind of sticking through my late uploads. It's been a lot. I am back on it now, and going into next year, that is my goal, to be up to date on videos. And no, this is not a White Claw. This is Celsius. I don't want people to think I'm down in White Claws as I'm driving, because I know it looks like this, but they were around first. So I want to know in the comments below, what are you guys most excited about on this channel of the cars that I have? So are you still stoked on the 350Z? Do you want more track days than that? Are you stoked on the Vet? Are you more excited about the Evo, the 3-rotor, RX-8 that I need to get back on this channel, and really back to Florida if I want to keep working on that car? That's like my one stance boy, low boy car, that now being around Mike with all the things he's doing to his car makes me miss that one so much, because I just want to do all those things as well, like the headliner and the taillights and everything. But yeah, comment below what you guys are most stoked about on this channel, and cheers, your girl is caught up. That's what it is. Here's the Vet. I have the wing in there, and I'm so excited for you guys to see it. It was a really tough decision, I'm not gonna lie. I went back and forth on what color I should get it painted, if I should even paint it at all, which is, honestly, it didn't look bad, black, but I got it painted. Hey. It's so shiny. This is what my car used to look like, fresh out of paint. Okay, what do we think? Are we gonna do it? I love it. I couldn't decide if I wanted to keep it black, paint it pink with the rest of the car, or neon yellow, but I chose pink and I love it. When it's actually secured on the car, I think I'm just gonna sit a little bit lower, but it looks so good. Oh my gosh, that makes such a huge difference. That is crazy. I love it. I really missed having a wing on this car, and I kind of just had to deal with it for Drift Week because I got really excited and tried to rush it and make it happen, and really we just didn't have enough time. So got through Drift Week. Now I got my wing back and it's color matched with the car. So Randy painted that, and like I said, I got a brand new bumper too, because look at this. This was like, I think maybe the first or second time I took it out. It got hit and then drugged, and it's been beat up. It's not in the best shape, and oh yeah, over here, like more drag marks, and yeah, it's just been beat up. So I'm excited to get a fresh one on. Randy got it done. I love the new wing. Maybe if I have time, I'll try and wire it this time to actually like make it work when I'm on the brakes, because there is a light in here. And last time I just like tucked the wiring and had it ready to go, but didn't actually install it. I'm gonna put some vinyl, I think right there, some neon yellow vinyl in the center to like tie in to the side of the car. But I'm getting excited. First I need to install it. It's not installed yet. I have to redo all the weather stripping as well and put it on. I love it, and I think it'll look good. Spruced up with some neon yellow accents, maybe a logo here, my House of Pre logo. No, I'll get on the car first and figure it out. So I couldn't find any more of this weather stripping stuff. There's a proper name for it. You guys saw me use it in my last wing install video. I have it around most of the holes, and I had it around the main ones as well, but I figure there's enough left over anyway that it's gonna repress itself and seal itself. But just in case, I put some Gorilla Tape over it and poked a hole just for, I don't know, extra protection. But again, you can see where this is still like rising and will hopefully make the seal, but just wanted to add some extra protection since we don't have any more here at the moment. And also I'm only using 4 of the holes. That's all I got to work, and it's plenty last time. So I have one here, one here, one here, and one here. Like I said, I am gonna actually try and wire up the thing this time, because I know if I don't, I never will. It's one of those things where you're like, oh, I'll do it later, and then you always say I'll do it later, and it never happens. So hopefully I'll have time to also wire up the wing. that because I'm trying to get this wire fed through here underneath the headliner all the way through the side to then go down here and tap into the taillights, when the entire time I could have just tapped in to the existing brake light. That is right there. Yeah. I got it all the way through from the outside, got it under the headliner, and then Johan and Adam come over and they're like, yo, you want to make your life a lot easier? So I have the 2 wires here. I'm gonna bring one of these to ground, like right there. That's easiest. And then bring the other one around here, and boom, tap into the existing brake light that the Z's have. Yeah, that'll be a lot easier. Alright, press the brake pedal. Yay, it works. You can't see it, but it works. Damn. Take it all in. Let's take it all in. First, I'm gonna look at it on camera. Oh my god, I love it so much. Ah, I love the Z with the wing. Z's can't not have wings. That's the angle. I love it. Gosh, that makes such a big difference. The wing looked good when it was black. It looks 10 times better color matched. I don't know why it took me so long to pull the trigger and getting it painted. So I did try off camera messing around with vinyl to make this the neon yellow, because that's what I really want and that's what I think will completely tie it together. But I'm gonna do this another day, or maybe whenever I get my next car wrapped, like bring this car as well to have them wrap that piece. Because if I do it, I want it to be good. And if you look, so it's flat here and then it goes down. And then it's curved up here. And there's kind of a little like gap there where it goes down. I just think if I try and do it, the lines are not gonna be great. So I don't want to end up just getting frustrated with myself and having it look bad, versus right now it doesn't look bad pink. I just think it'll look a lot better with it neon yellow in the center. So I'm gonna do that later and just put a pause on that idea, but I definitely still want that. But for now, I'm just gonna rock it as a solid color. And this time around, got the lights working, which I love. So good. Gosh, this car's gonna look so much better with a fresh bumper. It's gonna be nice. I feel like this car hasn't really been cleaned up since I painted it. Like, I really haven't done a full interior exterior detail on it and like really tried to fix some of the bodywork damage. It'll look a lot better with a new bumper, and have Schulman probably do like a full detail, interior, exterior, trying to get all of the tire marks off, and maybe replace some of the vinyl as well, and just have it be fresh for more driving later on. Now the question is, what wing for the vet? I definitely think I want a wing, guys. I don't know, I go back and forth on it, but if you have any good suggestions, comment below. I have some good news and I have some bad news. The bad news is I was not able to make it to Randy's to pick up my bumper to put that on in this video, because the good news is that it's because I was stuck at the store getting the new iPhone, because I've been using my phone to film a lot more lately, and my last phone was destroyed from shooting too many welding videos. I've been trying to get an appointment for a new phone for a really long time now, so I had to go. I just had to do it and get it done. I'm on the new phone right now. It's nighttime though, so I don't know if you'll notice like a quality improvement. Yeah, that's what I was doing. So I wasn't able to pick up the bumper yet, but I will do that tomorrow. This is part of being more on top of uploads, and maybe doing like daily or every other day uploads, is I always feel like I have to accomplish like big things or so many things before I can upload a video, and I just need to rip the band-aid off and get used to bringing you guys along every step of the way. And you don't always get everything you want to accomplish done, and that's cars, and that's normal. So I am glad though that I was able to get the wing on. I will pick up the bumper from Randy's tomorrow. I might also do some underglow, or I don't know, maybe more interior stuff. I'll figure it out. It's gonna be a late upload. I think by the time I get this video up, it's probably gonna be like 9 or something, but I was pushing myself to, no matter what, just do it same day, film, edit, post, just to, you know, get used to it more. Hope you guys like the car, and you will see the car more transformed and looking a lot prettier in the next video. I'm doing like my first same day upload ever. Are you so proud of me?
Impressed.
I'm not only caught up, I'm gonna be more ahead in YouTube time than you.
Please don't reveal my secrets.
Oh, I'm gonna reveal them all. Actually, that's how I'll end this video. Adam LZ, expose secrets.
Yo, how much
the truth.
How much to break a brand new phone?
What?